To create concise color palettes, it's important to limit the color options that you allow yourself to have. For this work, I only used 4 colors primarily: pink, orange, yellow, and blue. And I would say referencing and using the color wheel is like your best friend. So my combination of pink, orange, and yellow would be considered an analogous combo with a blue tint that moves as a complementary color palette. Um, and within the work, I use the blue tint to add pops of color and to draw your attention to certain areas. I often like to use tints to draw attention to areas and shades to define or soften away certain elements, which just kind of leads me to my next thing of just, you know, always have a willingness to play with the hues and determine what kind of tints or shades you want to use in order to create the kind of work that you want. For this work, I cheated. I used a old work that I had and a color palette that I really enjoy to help me dip my toe in the waters and stuff. And it was really enjoyable, and I think it really helped me. It helped me focus on having a better relationship with the tools while I was practicing and becoming better, like more familiar with the app. Thank you so much to Adobe Fresco for commissioning me and giving me my first introduction to the app.